So tonight I've got a washing machine here that is not worth fixing, so we're going to destroy it in a suitable way. So the plan is firstly to wire up the motor. Wire the motor directly up to a plug so it'll spin whenever we run it. Then we're going to drill out the top of the drum and put in a spark plug. So to create a spark, we're going to use a high voltage transformer out of an oil burner from a boiler, and it's wired directly into the mains on one side and directly into the spark plug on the other side. So I'm plugged in. So when plugged in, we get a nice even spark, continuous spark that will ignite whatever's in the machine, hopefully. And the plan is then to put some petrol into the machine, get it up to a full 1200 speed spin and ignite the sparker on it. So let's bring it outside and see how it goes. Spinny?
Yeah.
So this is the damage report the next morning. You can see it blew the whole front of the machine clean off, and it smashed the front glass. That's why we put tape over it, save the eyes. We have to put out the fire with a couple of buckets of water, but it did a fair amount of damage. For a small cup full of petrol was all that we put into it.